Hello everybody, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a custom Superflat world for Minecraft Bedrock. So let's get started. To begin, all you want to do is go to your web browser, and I will have links in the description if you need them. But here all you want to do is go to your search bar and search up Bedrock Custom Superflat Generator. So Bedrock Custom Superflat Generator, and just enter that, and you'll find a website called Bedrock Custom Superflat Generator here, and just click on this link here, which I will also have in the description as well. Okay, so the website looks like this. It is very simple looking, but it does work really well. So the idea here is, all you want to do is go to select world type, click this, and here you will have custom biome or custom superflat. Now this will just be for a single biome type of thing. Here we'll just focus on custom superflat. Here, once you did this, you're gonna have this selector here. So to begin, what you want to do is go to this first menu here, which is this one here. Here, you're gonna have a list of every single Minecraft block that you can have as a layer. So for example, if we choose to have diamonds, well, we want diamond blocks on our world somewhere. Well, basically, all you want to do is simply go ahead and find diamonds somewhere here. So we just go through the list and we'll find diamond block here. So this is a diamond block. And this one here is one layer thick. So basically, all you want to do here is just change this number here to however thickness you want of these. So I can say 10, right? There will be 10 diamond blocks thick. So 10 diamond blocks deep. So if I do add here, from -64 to -55, we will have diamond blocks. Now let's say that we want another layer. So we go here, and now we want something else. So we'll just quickly look at something that we can choose. Some of these you can't choose. So some of these will crash the game. Like for example, if you do grass, for example, if it's not grass blocks, it will just be a bunch of random little grass everywhere, and it could crash the game as well. As this is basically every single block you can have imaginable in Bedrock. So for example, you can have crops, and you might imagine what happens if you have crops with nothing under it. So here we have, for example, jigsaw. This is a special block, which is a little block that you can use to do some custom builds and everything. So if we have a jigsaw block, we can have one layer of jigsaw, and we can do add. So now from basically on the layer -54, we will have one jigsaw block, and under it we'll have 10 diamond blocks into the void, like so. Here, let's say that we want to have some bedrock, so we don't fall, and even though we can't really break jigsaws in survival, we'll just do bedrock on the bottom. All we need to do is go to B. We want to find BE for bedrock, and bedrock is here. We can do one layer, I'll just do two, why not? And you can do add. Now, if bedrock is on top, of course, we won't see these things here. So what you want to do is actually use these arrows here to move around these blocks. So we can do down, down, and now from -64 to -63, we will have two bedrock, and then we're gonna have 10 from 62 to 53, and one layer of jigsaw. Let's say that you add something like acacia wall sign, and you don't want to have this after all. You can just remove it like so. Okay, so this is how you use this layout here. And here we have the world name. You can change the world name if you want. So I can do name here. Here, you can do prevent slime spawning if you want, which is pretty cool. And basically that's how that works if you want to have some slime that doesn't spawn if you want. Now, you can choose that or not, doesn't matter. The seed doesn't really matter as well. And you can choose what biome you have in the Superflat, which can also make different mobs spawn as well if you want. So the idea of this, you want to have something like this, for example, if you want to get started. Okay, now if you do generate, what's going to happen is that it's going to download you a world file here, so name.mcworld, and this is the world file that you will be using to add to Minecraft Bedrock. So basically, all we want to do here is once it's done, downloaded here, you just want to go ahead and minimize or close your web browser, and then you want to go to your file explorer to access your downloads folder. Now this works on mobile as well. It is the same thing, just that on computer you can double click this, or if you're on a mobile you might need to long press, and then you want to go to share web. This is open web because this is Windows. but in most cases it will just be open or share with Minecraft. So you just want to open this in Minecraft here. This is Minecraft Bedrock, and we just click this, and this will just open up Minecraft Bedrock. And the idea is that we just imported a world. Now in some cases you might have a little thing that shows up here, say something like import start or whatever. As this is really small, it just basically finishes even before Minecraft even opens up. So basically once Minecraft has opened up, all we want to do is go to play, and you're gonna see that we have here name survival. Now this looks default because we have not played this already. So what we can do here, we can go to edit, for example, and he can change some specific settings, like giving yourself creative, for example, changing the difficulty. You can go to cheats here to enable cheats if you want, everything. So you can just mess this around if you want. You can do anything you want. So here we'll just do on play real quick, and basically once you play your world, you will see that we're gonna have these specific blocks. So let's just go ahead and load up everything, and here is our blocks. So here we have jigsaw blocks, and if we go down, we're gonna have a diamond. So first of all, here is what a jigsaw block looks like. It's really weird, that's why it shows it. If we go ahead and go down, so remember this was one layer, here we should have 10 layers of diamonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now we have 2 layers of bedrock, and now we have the void. So yeah, that's how that works, and we have all the slimes here. You can prevent that to spawn if you want, but that's the idea. So that's how we get custom Superflat Worlds for Minecraft Bedrock. So yeah, if you liked today's video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you for the next one. Bye!